name is Kavya and I am a sophomore at Oatmeal High School. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite blueberry oatmeal. Two fun facts about me are that I love baking and cooking, and I also love making my family breakfast every morning. So the first step is to wash your hands. So while I wash my hands, how about you guys wash your hands and then we can start together? Alright, so now that we have our hands all clean, I'm going to grab a bowl for our oatmeal. And I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of oats in here. Then I'm going to fill it with water, but only until the water reaches the top of the oats. So not too much, you got to be very careful. I'd say about another 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to heat this up for 1 minute. And make sure you're watching it while you heat it so it doesn't overflow. Okay guys, once you have your oats out of the microwave, make sure you are super careful taking it out because they are super hot. You are going to take your bowl of microwaved oats and you're going to add some of your favorite milk. Whatever milk you guys have at home works totally fine. My favorite is almond milk, so I'm going to just pour about 1/4 cup of milk. Then I'm going to stir it up. And then I will come back once it's all mixed. Hey everyone, this is my favorite part of making the oatmeal, adding a little bit of maple syrup to give it a little bit of sweetness. You don't need too much. You just need a teeny drop, just like that. Now you're gonna mix that up, and once you mix it, we can add our topping. Right, now we are ready to add our blueberries. If you guys don't have blueberries or don't like blueberries, any type of fruit you want works. You could add bananas, you could add apples, whatever you want. My personal favorite are blueberries, so I'm going to add about a handful of blueberries, washed blueberries, to the top of my oatmeal. Perfect. Now I'm going to add a handful of granola. You don't have to add granola if you don't want, just like a little handful on top. And yeah, hey guys, now is when you can add whatever you want. You can add chocolate chips, you can add honey, you can add cinnamon, whatever you want. Okay guys, this is our final product. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I had tons of fun and I hope you did too. Don't forget to keep on reading because reading is super important and it's tons of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!